In today's generation, 90% of men have lost their raw masculine edge. That masculine energy, that aggression, it's all fading away. Lack of confidence, getting easily offended, these feminine traits are taking over, and the culprit is low testosterone. If I ask you, what do you think the average testosterone level is for a man today? 300, 400, or maybe 500? And science claims this is normal, but that's the trap. We've become comfortable living with low testosterone. The reality is, your ancestors never had levels this low, and it's dropping every single day. So, what exactly is testosterone? Why is it the bridge that turns a boy into a man? And how can you tell if yours is low? I'll break it all down with scientific facts. Stick around until the end because I'll give you 4 natural solutions to 10 times your T levels. Phase 1. What is testosterone? Testosterone is a hormone produced in your body that determines if you're just a male or a real man. It's the foundation of masculinity, from muscle mass and bone density to mental grit and a deep voice. It controls everything. If this level drops, your strength, motivation, and discipline vanish. It breaks you down mentally and physically. Phase 2. Signs of low testosterone. 1. Morning wood. This is the easiest test. If you don't wake up with a strong morning erection, it's a clear sign your levels are low and blood circulation is weak. 2. Chest and belly. Fat. If you're gaining weight around your chest and waist, take it seriously. Excess fat produces an enzyme that converts your testosterone into estrogen, the female hormone. 3. Bone density and muscle loss. Men with high T levels burn fat and build muscle easily. If your bones feel weak or you get exhausted by basic tasks, your levels are dangerously low. Phase 3. The 4 solutions. 1. Nutrition. Your diet is the most important factor. A high-carb, processed junk food diet will destroy your hormones. Focus on protein, eggs, chicken, lean meats, and healthy fats. Nuts, avocados, seeds, which are the building blocks of hormones. Also, zinc and magnesium are essential for production. 2. Strength training and HIIT, heavy lifting and compound movements your body to release testosterone. High-intensity, interval training like sprinting is also very effective. 3. Quality sleep. You need at least 7 to 8 hours of deep sleep for your body to repair itself and produce hormones. 4. Natural herbs. Ancient herbs like ashwagandha or Tongkat Ali are scientifically proven to boost energy and T levels. Now you know what testosterone is and how to fix it. Don't forget to subscribe.